What are contingencies? We'll talk about that right after this. Hi, my name is Lei Villar-Cisneros, founder of Homes by Lei and broker with Right at Home Realty Inc. Contingencies happen when a buyer has made an offer on a home and the seller has accepted it, but the final sale is contingent upon certain criteria being met. These criteria or contingencies typically fall under 4 major categories: appraisal, loan approval, inspection, and reports and disclosures. This is when the buyer has the time to do their due diligence in all of these areas. In regards to inspection, the typical home inspection includes roof, chimney, HVAC, or a special inspection for septic and well. Depending on where you live, the buyer may want to have other inspections like mold, soil, or wet. It depends on what is customary due to problems or issues that typically arise in the area in which you're selling your home. In regards to report, those encompasses full disclosure on both inside and outside of anything and everything to do with the home. Watch the disclosure video to see what you should disclose. The contingency timeframes are agreed upon in the initial contract and in most cases are around 5 to 21 days. But in some cases, you can have no contingencies if the buyer wrote a really aggressive offer. In the Greater Toronto Area, once you remove the contingencies, your deposit is at risk. So be sure not to remove them until you know you're okay with all the aspects of the home. You can ask for an extension if you need more time, and the seller would have to agree. The good news is that once all contingencies are removed, you have much more assurance that the home will actually close. For more information about selling or buying a home, reach out to us here at Homes by Lei, where we make your real estate dreams come home.